Oh hey, welcome back. Hey guys, welcome back to another Vlogmas video. I am back home. So the video that's going up today is Vlogmas day 5 through, I think it's 7, 5 through 7 or 5 through 8. Hope you guys enjoyed that Vlogmas video. I'm actually editing the video right now. It is 2 o'clock. I had my therapy session today. Today went well. I'm back home. I actually went ahead and reinstalled this wig because I need to finish this hair video. My camera's been acting funny. I think I'm going to take the camera in to get it checked out. For some reason, it's been very grainy, not clear quality. I don't know what I did to the camera, but fortunately, I have 2 other backup cameras, so that worked out. So I just wanted to say hi to you guys. I'm back home, back at it again. I got this video to edit. I got 2 hair videos to edit, and then Vlogmas videos will be every single day because I am back. I'm going on a trip, but the trip I'm going on is my birthday trip, which is going to be after Vlogmas. So you guys will just see a birthday trip vlog come up because Vlogmas ends in 25 days. But moving forward, after today, it'll be a video every single day. I decided to combine the vlog together just because it made sense for the trip, the little mini trip I took, just to put it all together. So hopefully you guys enjoy that. Alright y'all, I'm on my way to Ikea right now because I need to get some last minute items for the house for Vlogmas. So I got some pillow covers, I need a new pair of sheets and a comforter set. So we're doing Ikea today, baby. Let me show you guys myself. Oh damn, of course this doesn't work. I hate that. The whole point of having an escalator so that it rises and you go up with it, not you having to do all the work. I can't. Green one is pretty. But these are duvets, I believe these are duvets. They have duvet cover and pillowcases. I actually like this blue one with this brown. Little hints of brown in that one. How many gray pillow sets? Ooh, I like this one too. This one's actually really cute though. I had this one. Oh, this one's pretty. Wow, this one's luxe. What size is that, Queen? Y'all see that? Oh. This one's pretty. But this one is a vibe. I see what they was going with this one. Alright, I'm not going for these colors. I've done this already, so I think it's either one of these over here. Like a nice... Yeah, I low-key feel like this one looks fire, yeah. Look at this kind of design. I feel like I've always done gray, but this gray might be a gray today. And by the way, I'm shooting on the Canon G7 Mark II. This broke on me last December on this time, but for some reason it's working well now. And I love the quality. I feel like the quality is giving what it's supposed to give. But I still miss my Sony, so I gotta take the Sony in to get fixed. But other than that, it's a good job. Alright guys, so I grabbed the white sheets. I also grabbed 2 of the pillowcases as well. And I like this duvet set. It has this gray, but it has little white accents, which I just thought was cute. And my nails are pop. So this one is actually really cute. I should get 2 of these to go on the sofa. They're only $6.99 for this one. I would have to get 2. And I think I'm going to switch 2 of the other ones I have with this one. I think this is a nice kind of like, not too much of a bright red, but it's like the perfect red. Alright, I need 2 throw blankets. I already love this one, this little knitted one. It reminds me of the one I have, the orange one. But this right here is actually really cute mixed with the gray color. So I'm going to grab this one right here most definitely because this kind of goes with the pillowcases I just got. The combination in color. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab this one. It seems like there's a lot of reds going on, but there is. And this is only $25 and that one's $15. So we could do these 2. As a matter of fact, green would be pretty, but the only green one they got is this one and it's $42.99. Not on God's green earth is that gonna happen, so. If you don't got a Christmas tree or whatever, come to Ikea. Like, look at these cute little Christmas trees. And they also got like these little mini ones as well. So cute. And they got the ones with the bass in the baskets over there. And they got the regular potted ones right here. I'm not sure how much it's. That's a nice scoop. Yeah. Thank you. Alright guys, so I am back at the house right now. I got all this stuff from Ikea. Everything I got from Ikea was basically like $225, which is ridiculous, but you guys know how things go. So I got an extra salad bowl. You guys know I love these. They usually don't have these all the time, so I picked this one up. I got this little art design thing, whatever. I haven't done one of these in a while. I did this in my last few apartments. So I saw this one. It was pretty cute. And Love, I guess, or and Heart, whatever. I thought this would go really nice in my bedroom. So you guys will see this in tomorrow's Vlogmas video. I also got 2 of the frames or picture frames with the gold trim on the outside. I thought the gold trim was very cute, and I don't have any accent gold in my bedroom, so I thought it'd be cute to do that. I did get this gray duvet set. I thought this duvet set was very nice, guys. Something different. I do have like white now, but I feel like I gotta switch to white out, so I did this duvet set, which is like this gray one with like a little bit of white in it. I got a plain base white sheet, and then I also got gray pillows as well. Now to go with this one, just because it's kind of gray and white, I have those throw pillows on my bed, so I'm gonna just make the throw pillows black just to kind of bring everything together. You guys will kind of see how it looks. I also got these 2 throw pillows as well. This is more of a Christmas color, and if you guys know the denim ones that I have, the denim ones are actually from Ikea. They're on sale for $6.99 right now, and I thought that this denim color would look really good with this type of dark blue, red, and green look. So I picked 2 of these out to change the ones in my living room. I also got 2 throw blankets, this one right here, and also this very, very pretty red one as well. This one was $25, and this one was $12.99, which wasn't bad at all. So I was like, you know, I'm gonna get it. I got one basic gray towel, and then I also got 2 kind of like simple frames to put 2 pictures in, and these were like, I think like $1 at Ikea. Nothing crazy, but you guys know when you go to Ikea, things add up. So the things definitely did add up, but I needed to change the sheets, and I needed to kind of like tie in all the Christmas decorations. So you guys will see this today, and then you guys will see this once it's all set up in the areas that I need to be set up with, especially these items for the living room, because this is what I'm missing. I'm missing the throw blankets and new pillow covers for the holidays. So got it at Ikea. So today was pretty simple, guys. Pretty, you know, basic, whatever. I have not filmed on this camera in a long time. I keep looking at the viewfinder just because I'm not used to the viewfinder being up here anymore on the Canon G7X Mark II. So today was a basic day, guys. I just got back from Denver and Vegas, so I'm a little bit like, So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's Vlogmas video. Tomorrow's video will probably be me putting up the tree or whatever, and you guys will see that tomorrow's video. Hope you guys enjoy whatever content I put out for you guys today, because I thought it was pretty cute. Gave you like a little bit of food, a little bit of cleanup or whatever, and then, you know, the basic shopping experience all the time. So yeah, so I'm gonna wrap this up right now, guys. Yeah, bye. Wait, before you go, don't forget to come back, guys.